Hi viewers, welcome to Full of Chemistry. This is Mubina Ashkar. Today I am going to discuss about the question number 41 to 50 of 2014 question paper. Please watch it. Question number 41. The transfer of a portion of the DNA from bacterium to another by a bacteriophage is known as. The answer is option B, transduction. In some interactions between lysogenic phages and bacteria, the lysogenic conversion may occur, which can also be called phage conversion. It is when a temperate phage induces a change in the phenotype of the infected bacteria that is not part of a usual phage cycle. Question number 42. Who coined the term vaccine? The answer is option C, Louis Pasteur. The noun vaccination introduced by Richard Dunning. Heinrich Hermann Robert Koch is widely known for his work with anthrax, discovering the causative agent of the fatal disease to be Bacillus anthracis. Anthony Leeuwenhoek is a father of microbiology. Question number 43. When flagella is arranged all around the cell, it is called. The answer is option C, peritrichus. What is Lophotrichus? Lophotrichus bacteria have multiple flagella located at the same spot on the bacterial surfaces, which act in concert to drive the bacteria in a single direction. Amphitrichus bacteria have a single flagellum on each of two opposite ends. And monotrichus bacteria have a single flagellum. Example, Vibrio cholerae. Peritrichus bacteria have flagella projecting in all directions. Example, E. coli. Question number 44. Melioidosis is caused by. The answer is option A, Burkholderia pseudomallei. Melioidosis, also called white mouse disease, is an infectious disease caused by a bacterium Burkholderia pseudomallei, previously known as Pseudomonas pseudomallei. The bacteria are found in contaminated water and soil and spread to humans and animals through direct contact with the contaminated source. Question number 45. Which is a DNA virus? The answer is option D, hepatitis B virus. DNA viruses are that have DNA genomes and replicate using DNA-dependent DNA polymerase. It can be grouped into two classes, double-stranded DNA virus and single-stranded DNA virus. Hepatitis B virus, a major worldwide infectious and cancer-promoting agent, contains a DNA genome of 3,226 base pairs. Another examples of DNA virus are adenovirus, herpes virus, and pox virus. What is RNA virus? They have typically single-stranded RNA but may also contain double-stranded RNA. Hepatitis A virus, poliovirus, influenza virus are examples for RNA virus. Hepatitis A virus is an enteric picornavirus. It contains 7,478 bases. Question number 46. Fried egg appearance is a characteristic feature of. The answer is option C, Mycoplasma. Mycoplasma are the smallest free-living bacteria which lack cell wall and take up any shape. Brucellae is a gram-negative bacteria. They are non-encapsulated, non-motile, facultatively intracellular cocobacilli. Spirochetes, they are spiral shaped, causing diseases such as syphilis, Lyme disease, and relapsing fever. Example, Borrelia. Chlamydia are gram-negative bacteria with a unique biphasic developmental cycle consisting of extra and intracellular forms. Its outer membrane contains lipopolysaccharide. Question number 47. Coagulase enzyme is produced by. The answer is option A, Staphylococcus. Coagulase is a protein enzyme produced by several microorganisms that enables the conversion of fibrinogen to fibrin. Next question. Gas gangrene is produced by. The answer is option B, Clostridium perfringens. Gas gangrene is most commonly caused by infection with the bacterium Clostridium perfringens, which develops in an injury or surgical wound that's depleted of blood supply. The bacterial infection produces toxin that release gas, hence the name gas gangrene, and cause tissue death. Question number 49. Regarding fungal cell wall, all are true except. The answer is option C. Azoles act on them. Fungal cell wall composed basically of chitin, alpha and beta linked glucans, glycoproteins, etc. The structure plays several functions including providing cell rigidity and determining cell shape, metabolism and ion exchange, protecting from osmotic stress, etc. It often represents the interface for interaction between pathogenic fungi and their host. The last question, which among of these is not an oncogenic virus? The answer is option C, hepatitis A virus. The oncogenic viruses causing cancer, human papillomavirus and Epstein-Barr virus are DNA viruses. The HPV, human papillomavirus, is an infection that causes warts in various parts of the body depending on the strain. It is the most commonly sexually transmitted infection. Epstein-Barr virus, EBV, also known as human herpes virus 4, it spreads most commonly through bodily fluids, primarily saliva. The herpes simplex virus type 1 and type 2, HSV, also known as human alpha herpes virus 1 and human alpha herpes virus 2, produce viral infections. Well, hi viewers, thank you for listening me. In the next video, നമുക്ക് കാണാം with question number 51 to 60. So please write it. Thank you.